How to change the country in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Roblox application and make sure that you have logged into your account, and also make sure you have the latest version of the application on your device. Then you can see different menus at the bottom of the screen, from home, charts, avatar, chat, and more. So tap on more, and then as you tap on more, you'll be able to see the settings option by scrolling down. So tap on settings and then tap on account info. As you tap on account info, it will lead you to your profile where you will different information will be available over there. So just scroll down and here you can see the option of account location. So right now it's located in Nepal. Now you just have to toggle or tap on the arrow down button and select the location that you want to set. So I'm gonna just set it to India for now. And as you tap on the location here, it gives you a pop-up that you can change your location only once, and your location determines certain account settings, including your default privacy settings and the currency used for gift cards and purchases. So if you're not sure why you need to make this change, do not continue. So if you want to do the continue, then just tap on set location, and if not, you can just cancel it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.